Hey guys, how you doing out there? Hope everyone's healthy and safe and getting through this lockdown. I know it can get a little boring and tedious, but it is what's best for everyone right now to stay inside as much as possible. Get out, take a walk, get some fresh air, but other than that, you should be avoiding large crowds. So in this video, I decided to go through the steps of how to access Adobe Spark, since a lot of you are saying you're having problems with it. So hopefully this will clear up some of the confusion, which some of it was probably my fault. But if you're trying to do it how I originally had planned, you are going to open your OneNote. And once you're in OneNote, if you haven't noticed yet, there's this tab called e-learning days right here. All right, once you're at that page, when you scroll down, it says directions on how to create and share your video. Now here's where the first problem might have occurred, is when you click on this link, it opens up Microsoft Explorer, which you guys probably know is not the best web browser. So what you should do then is just close that and go to Chrome. So you could either just actually click on this if you want, and if you click it, right click, you can copy the link. Then open up Chrome, and you can either just type it in, Adobe Spark. Now here's the first thing, just for your general knowledge, never pick this first one that says add on it. It's just never the right website. It'll take you somewhere that you don't want to go. So click this second one that says sparkadobe.com, or if you copy and paste it, simply get rid of that stuff, paste, and it'll take you to the same site. Anyway, so I'm going to click on this. Now, here is where most of you went wrong. So when you get to this screen, you're going to click on Get Started Now. And if it's your first time logging in, you're going to click on Sign Up with Email over here. If you want to, go ahead. If you have a Google, a Gmail, and you know it's the password and everything, it's probably the easiest to hit Continue with Google, because then you could just click right through. But I would prefer you sign up with your school email, which is right here. So then you're just going to go through the motions of filling this out, just like that. You have to fill in the necessary information. And on the bottom of the screen, it says Create Account. And you go ahead and click that. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to go back one screen. If you've already have an account, or you've been in at least once already, so I'll go back to the main screen, Get Started Now, and you would choose Log In. So if you already created an account, you're going to go to Log In with School Account. See, I'm already there. Continue. There's my password is saved, which you guys should get in the habit of doing. And that's it. So now I'm in. Now once you're in, you're going to create a project. And sorry, let's go back to home. Oh, I'm sorry, right here. Create project. And you are making a video. And you could put anything in here that you want. Dutch Revolution, next. And I picked, I believe, from this one, I think I picked Teach a Lesson. I don't know if it really matters that much, but wait for it. And then it's pretty easy. You could watch this video. It explains a little bit of what to do. But that's pretty simple. Once you get to Adobe Spark, if you want to add text, conditions, you can give it a title of what topic you were assigned. It's pretty straightforward. If you want to record something, you hit record. If you go to the, let's see, hit the plus sign, I forget what that does. Oh, you can add photos or videos. All right. So I'm just going to go to the next screen. So I'm going to insert a video. I had to upload all mine, so you have to actually go to Google Photos, find you know, factories during Industrial Revolution, images, you know, pick one that you helps stick your, point out your case, you know, whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect. This one looks pretty good. Shows all the dangerous machines you can get your arms ripped off on. You have to save it. You just might be able to copy it, but I've been saving mine. Pictures, saving your pictures file. Rename it something you might remember. Machines. Save. Go back to here. So like I'm going to hit photo, upload photo. It's going to open up your pictures, downloads. Go to your pictures, what you just called it, and machines. Hit open. All right, puts it in right there. Now once you have the picture there, then you could hit record. And this is how you can record any narration that you want on the video. I think it gives you like 20-30 seconds. This is a machine, they were dangerous, and the Industrial Revolution, blah 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 blah, and then you just let it go. And then if you want to hear it, this is how you can record any narration hit done, go to the next one. Okay, when you're all done, then you just hit get this out of the way. Nope, exit full screen. When you're done with your whole presentation, so where does it say finish? I guess you just hit download. No, I thought I had to finish it. Hit play. This is how you can record. And that's it.